How to update YouTube app on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can update your YouTube app to keep it up to date. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step you'll want to do is open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, simply head over to the search bar on the bottom right. After you're there, what you'll need to do is search for YouTube. After you search for it, YouTube will just pop up. You will see the YouTube option, tap on it and open it up. Now, if there is an update option instead of the open option, you will need to tap on update to update YouTube. Now, updating YouTube is really important as it comes up with bug fixes and a lot of improvements. Sometimes there are even major features added to YouTube. So to enjoy those features, you will need to update your YouTube. And yeah, that is basically it guys. That is how you update your YouTube. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.